In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create really cool movie-like scenes using Google VEO3. So you may have seen this already with Bigfoot vlogs. So I'm going to show you exactly how those videos are created for free in this tutorial video. So firstly, I'm going to show you a few examples of just what you can create with this software.
This is Aurelia. She's 12. She sells lightning rods in the Roman Forum.
So how did you manage that then?
She looks young,
She is young.
but my money's long.
So why are you down the pub on a Tuesday?
Well, where else would I be? I can't work, can I?
Why is that?
Because they've stolen all our jobs.
So you can create some really cool movie-like scenes using this very intelligent AI, Google VEO3. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in today's video. So firstly, you're going to need a VPN. So you're going to need a VPN to place yourself in the United States. If you're already in the United States and you don't need to use this VPN, I'm using Nord, which is a paid VPN, just because that's my personal preference. But you just need a VPN that will allow you to place yourself in the United States. Once you've done that, I like to go on Google Incognito. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to create an email address. Now, this email address must be a student email address, okay? So we can just type in any name and we can create an email address. We have to verify first. So let's complete the captcha and then create email. Okay, you now have your student email address. This is crucial for the next step. So all links will be down in the description below. You're now going to want to go onto the Google link. Now for this, we need to create an account. So create an account. You can select for personal use. Enter in the same name that you just made. And make sure on this email that you make yourself 18 years old, because you have to be a student to be able to use this. Now click use your existing email and paste in the email address that you just made, this one. So copy that and paste it in. Next, you'll receive a Google code. You see that there? Click on the email, paste in the code, and now create yourself a password. Okay, now that we've done that, we need to verify student status. So again, copy and paste your email. Go back to your temp mail. And now open verify your student email address. Here, copy and paste the code. And now you can see you are eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. So let's click continue and start trial. Now here we're almost done. Next, we need to add a card, or we can also add a PayPal. Fill out your card details and then make sure this is on United States and head over to fake name generator, select random, American and United States, generate, and then you're going to want to copy this number here. This is the zip code. That's all we need. Head back over to here and paste in the zip code. Then click save. And then you will be subscribed. Alternatively, you can click add a PayPal, but you need to already log into PayPal on the browser. So go to PayPal, log in on the browser, and then you can also use PayPal. It's fine. So once you've done that, that will then say subscribed. From here, you've done it. All you now need to do is go to Flow. So go to labs.google/flow and click create with Flow. Then sign in using your newly created Gmail account. And now we are in Flow. So to use this, what we're going to do is we're going to change this VEO2 to VEO3. You can either use quality or you can use VEO3 fast. Essentially, you now have 1,000 credits. And if you use VEO3 fast, you're going to use 20 credits per creation. And they will come out like this.
You're so beautiful.
You know I have a sausage, right? Can you eat pork?
Oh my bloody gosh. You're so beautiful.
So you're going to want to click this settings icon and change outputs per prompt to 1. That means every time you prompt it will only make 1 video. If you make 2 videos, you're going to be burning through your credits. Next, we want this to be on VEO3 Fast, because VEO3 Fast gives you very good quality and it saves you a lot more credits. You're only going to use 20 credits per video, and as you only have 1,000 credits per month, that means you can make 50 videos per month. However, if you use VEO3 Quality, you're going to burn through your credits very fast because it uses 100 credits, which means you could only make 10 different videos or 10 different prompts. And because sometimes when we're prompting this, it doesn't give us the exact video that we want, we have to prompt it multiple times, sometimes to get the right perfect video. So it's best to leave this on VEO3 Fast. You're basically getting the exact same quality and saving all your credits. You can also click this button to reuse a prompt and then you can edit it. But that is a tutorial on how to use Google VEO3 for free to create these AI movie scenes like you're seeing with the Bigfoot vlogs. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please leave a like rating, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this.